Hey guys, so I'm super excited. I've never done a video like this before, and I did my Halloween makeup last year and it came out super cool, I thought, and a lot of people were wondering how I did it. Layla! So I'm really excited. I've never done a video like this before, like a makeup tutorial or anything really besides posting covers. So I think this is gonna be really fun, and I especially wanted to do this because I know I have a lot of like female subscribers and Halloween's coming up, and last year I did my own makeup and I did like this little like skeleton grunge look. So this year I saw, my friend actually sent me a post from NYX Cosmetics, and there was a girl who did her makeup like this, which I'm about to do for you guys, and I've never tried it, so this is my first time actually doing it. So this is kind of, I guess, a get ready with me tutorial slash kind of just winging it. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please of course give it a thumbs up and all that kind of stuff, and let me know what kind of videos you like to see, and let's see how this goes. Hey guys, so just wanted to film a little disclaimer. Few things. One, you're just about to see how ADHD I am, and I honestly didn't even realize it myself until I started watching this back. Two, I realized that I did not say pretty much any of the products that I used, like I didn't show them or anything, so I'm gonna list all of those in the description so that way it's easy for you guys. And happy Halloween. I wanted to film this and I was like, oh, I'm gonna put like a little fire behind me on my TV and just be like really extra about it. So here we are. Okay, I'm like really nervous. I don't even know where to begin. I guess just putting orange like everywhere visible. Sounds about right. So, now which orange do I want to use? Okay.
Okay. Alright, we're just going in. Oh god.
Oh, this is, oh my god, my skin's gonna hate me so much. Now, disclaimer, am obviously not a makeup artist. If you see me do anything and you are a makeup artist and it makes you physically cringe, I'm sorry. That's just the life that I live. Alrighty, so we're going to be going in with an orange color. This is the color Real Grwm from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and we're just putting that all along the hairline and kind of outlining the face. I feel like I might be doing this like ass backwards. This, no, that's, no. So I'm gonna look crazy right now, but trust me, this will make sense. So now we're just gonna be putting some lines on the forehead, kind of give you that pumpkin look, since it is a pumpkin spooky makeup look. And this is just kind of to give you the vibe of like indentations that a pumpkin has. Take my hoops off. Now, I'm not too worried about around the cheek area because I will be going over that with the liner to make the creepy smiley thing. So that I'm not too worried about because obviously you're going right over it. So I'm gonna actually do something a little different than the photo. I'm kind of improvising right now. By the way, we are going to be using that same orange color throughout the video, so whenever you see me applying this orange, it's the same orange that I use all across the board. I kind of look like Simba, like from Lion King. Alternative costume idea. Now we're going to go in and take the color Creamsicle from the Jaclyn Hill palette and add that on the apples of the cheek, as well as anywhere that you don't have orange on the face. Now I'm kind of ADHD, so I kind of jump all over the place. I did this wrong. Tarteist palette and the shade Smoked, just to kind of start that smoky eye that you can see in the beginning. Oh crap, I didn't put anything on my eyelids. Y'all fire me. I just took my makeup wipe out of the trash. It's just that kind of day. Alright, so I just took that off. Okay. So now I'm just putting that Shape Tape concealer from Tarte on the eyelid. I have the color Fair, but obviously just use whatever color is best for your skin tone. And then I take an RCMA no color powder and just kind of put that all over the lid to set the eyes. Now we're gonna go and do the eyes. Again, that's Smoked. And I don't really like this brush for this. No, don't like this brush. Can you tell I'm not a makeup artist? Is it that noticeable? I'm gonna try going in with this because I just really want to like pack it on there. There we go. I don't know why I didn't go in with this in the first place. The thing that's so great about this color too is you really can build it to where it looks like it's black. But it's not actually. Now don't worry, this is like really looking crazy, but it's all gonna make sense. So my camera was overheating, so I figured I would just take that time to kind of do the boring part of the video where I'm just kind of coloring my whole face. So now we're just going in with that same color that we used on the eyes and just accentuating that area around the eye and kind of hollowing it out. And then we're going to go back in with that same color and blend out the eyeshadow as well as add a little bit more color of that just to deepen it. So now we're going to take that same color and add some more onto your eyelid to really deepen up the color, because we definitely want to make this a very smoky eye, so it's a very dramatic transition from the glittery gold that we're going to be adding later on. Then again, with that same color with the flat brush, we're going to be adding that to the lower lash line. So now we're going to be going in with the color Abyss from that same Jaclyn Hill palette and just adding that along your upper lash line. Okay, so I just basically so far have dragged down that dark color, black pretty much. I've been mixing kind of like a super dark brown and like a black. So now I'm gonna go in and start doing the nose. So now we're gonna be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner to do that nose, the eyes, and around the mouth. And you're kind of just making triangles, basically. Really sharp triangles around the eyes and the mouth. I definitely went a little overboard around the eyes. I'm pretty sure my phone picture probably went out at this point, so I was like, alright, we're just gonna look like a member from Kiss. All is well. We do. Now we're just basically dragging that mouth wider because we want to make sure that the black goes down all the way past the lips and onto the chin. Now at this point you can start adding black to fill in that smile. You can use eyeshadow, you can use a black lipstick. I went in, because this is my first time doing it, with a black eyeshadow and it wasn't filling it in like I like to. But I pretty much did the whole thing with the black eyeshadow and then later went in with a black liquid matte lipstick. Clearly have not finished the mouth, but I am going in to the eyes to start filling that out just so I have a better idea of what it's going to look like. And then we're using this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow, which is in the color Eternal Sunshine 997, and we're just adding that to the lighter parts of the face, like on the forehead where we put that yellowy color, and then below the eyes. And later on in the video, we're actually going to be using this same color on the eyelid to give you that shimmery, smoked out eye, but it's also going all over the face. So it's definitely, if you're going to invest in a color, this is a great one to do because you're basically going to use it all over your face. Okay, so I did the other side. I think it's looking really freaking cool. So now I'm going to go in do the nose. Now we're going to take the color Punk from the Tarteist palette and just kind of go along the line of the eyeliner that I made and smoke it out, and then go in with the color Real Grwm from the Anastasia Beverly Hills and blend that out as well. Then that sparkly Eternal Sunshine color we used earlier we're going to use on the high point of the nose, and then going back into shading in the under eyes with either Real Grwm and then using Cypress Umber. Now right here I'm taking that color Punk and just really deepening that outer corner of the eye and then bringing it down underneath the eye as well. Sorry. Now here we're just going to be buffing out the mouth just so that way the lines aren't too precise, because you definitely want it to be a more crazed look. Shut up, Stila. Does anyone care? Nope.
What the fuck? I need a pee before.
So basically what we were doing underneath the nose was adding that Real Grwm color as well as next to the nose and just kind of blending it up, really contouring. And then what I'm doing with these black eyeliner dots is basically giving you that pumpkin stripe look without being so exactly precise with a line. Kind of a stippling effect. Then we're going to go in and add it to the waterline of the eye and then go back in and just define the underneath eye spikes better. Alright, the eyes are looking a little crazy. Now we're going back and blending everything out, all the little dots underneath the eyes, and now we're going back in with that Eternal Sunshine color and adding it on the upper lid. This was so funny because I seriously started doing the eyes and I was like, should I connect like the bottom part with the eyeshadow? But then that would look really weird and then I'd really look like a kid's character. So I just decided it would be a good idea. Like, I'm just gonna take orange and just cover it right up on the sides, and then we're just gonna go with it. Now going in with that same Eternal Sunshine color and just adding it underneath the creepy smile, and then going in with the Maybelline New York Lasting Drama light liner in the color 810 White Luster to just add some more dots. Now in hindsight, I definitely would have bought a white liquid eyeliner, but I did not think about it, and if you were doing this eye look, I would definitely recommend. Is Mom awake? Damn, because I want to show her. I'm gonna wake her up. Huh? Just like wake her up like that. Be like, Mom.
Yeah.
Get right above her face.
Just to like whisper.
Like,
Shoot, I was gonna say.
Now I'm just going back in and deepening the nose and the under eyes.
ooh, feeling it. Okay, I just want to say these lashes were the most pain in the ass lashes that I've ever put on, and everyone talks about them because there are the Ardell lashes, but they were so annoying trying to put on because they were so flimsy.
Now going back in with that same white color eyeliner, we're just gonna add that to accentuate the lines.
I can't even begin to tell you how upset I am. I about almost had an emotional breakdown when this happened, but basically my camera died as I was filming that last part, and I plugged it in the charger and did a couple other things with the makeup, just like adding like a little bit of glitter. I charged it, came back, filmed my outro, and the camera died as I was saying thank you, like bye. And the camera shut off, so I figured it got it. It clearly did not. I was uploading everything to my computer and started putting together the pieces on my editing app, and my outro was not there. So thank God I filmed this video that you're about to see. Thank God, because I seriously would have had a breakdown. So but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments. This definitely was a very impromptu video. I kind of just like saw it and I was like, all right, I'm gonna film a YouTube video. Let's see how this goes. I have no plan at all, but we're just gonna go for it. I hope you guys liked it, and I definitely had a lot of fun filming it. So thank you guys so much for watching if you got through this whole thing. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon with a new cover. And let me know what you guys want to see. So I will see you soon, and thank you for watching. Happy Halloween! You got that thing in my head. No, that's not the words. Not that thing in my chest, but you're the one that I want. If that's really so. I think I'm doing that wrong. I'm late. Okay, we're gonna watch it. Honestly, that's the best winged eyeliner I think I've ever done in my life. Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the YouTube. Do it for the. Do it for the. I'm a rapper. They say I'm a rapper, but I say no. Say what you're doing, trying to do. Somebody's go.